Ken is another amazing story in a different way. If you think that being diagnosed with cancer is scary to begin with, try to imagine that you're just starting your life. He was diagnosed with life-threatening cancer at the age where you still think about all you can accomplish in the world, that you want to live every day and evolve and make a difference in everybody's life. He came for consultation. He realized that it is rare and he needs to see a specialist in his disease, and I truly believe that most likely it was a life-saving move.
So in my first meeting with Dr. Shustov, it was a consultation, and one thing that really helped me and my wife understand was Dr. Shustov's explanation of what things were and how things worked. Hearing the information and the explanation from Dr. Shustov really kind of built my confidence that, yes, there is a plan in place. Yes, that there's a way to move forward and we can take that first step today in treatment. Dr. Shustov suggested that a clinical trial with an experimental drug would be helpful as well because the early results showed a lot of promise. Being in the situation that I was in, I talked it over with my family and with my wife, and we decided to go ahead with the clinical trial. Yeah, it was a long journey for sure. I don't think it's a pleasant thing that anybody wants to do, but if it's a matter of what you can do to get to survival, you gotta do it. Everybody who goes through a disease like this one will have dark days. I mean, you hear the words from all around you, be strong, be strong, be strong. There are some days where you just can't do it. And to know that there's other people out there, that's really comforting. It's kind of interesting how many people around us who have gone through this process and this recovery who we don't hear their story often, and being able to hear that someone's made it, someone survived, someone's recovered, and they're living their life too is really hopeful. The T-Cell Leukemia Lymphoma Foundation is an organization to help people who have been diagnosed with T-cell leukemias and lymphomas, and really kind of for people to kind of have a support network and to have access to resources because it is a rare disease. We need a place to go get information, a place to kind of find each other, a place to find out more about the disease and what people's experiences were and treatments. It's a beacon of hope that we can move forward. We're not alone in this process, that we can take steps towards recovery, and that, brighter days are ahead and we'll get there. I'd like to thank Dr. Shustov and the T-Cell Leukemia Lymphoma Foundation for everything they've done for me from the first day I walked in until this last visit. The good news that I'm happy to report is I'm currently in remission. There's no signs of the cancer right now. We're still watching it, and I'm hopeful to get from remission to cure. So that I really look forward to that next chapter.